Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So we need to do first the derivative of 2x over the square root of 1 minus 2x, everything to the power of 2 dx. This one you got about number 2. This one you got about 4x squared. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one, we change by u dx over the square root of 1 minus 4x squared. We change by du over number 2. The integration of u, you got about u squared over 2. And we put about c. Number 2, you got about 4. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.